इमरान खान के हकीकी आज़ादी मार्च के दौरान कातलाना हमले से मुतल्लिक बड़े इंकशाफात। अमरीकी टीवी CNN को इंटरव्यू में कहा कि मुझ पर मनसूबा बंदी के तहत कातलाना हमला किया गया। कत्ल का मनसूबा 2 माह पहले तैयार किया गया था। इमरान खान का कहना था कि 3 लोग हमले के जिम्मेदार हैं, इसीलिए मैं आज़ादाना तहकीकात का मुतालबा कर रहा हूँ। वही ये फैसला कर सकते हैं कि हमले में किसका हाथ है। हमले में 2 शूटर थे। हमले को मजहबी रंग देने की कोशिश की जा रही है।
Or there were 2 shooters. Definitely, maybe another one. There was this guy who fired the first volley and I fell and other people fell because it hit our legs. We were saved because one of the people in the crowd put his gun down, otherwise we would have been dead. Then there was another volley came in because we were falling. This volley came over our heads. Look, it was a planned assassination attempt and we knew about it. I went on air beforehand. I warned them that this is what would happen. They would blame it on some religious fanatic. And why, after the attack, the things that have happened, the cover-up that is going on. So that's why I've called for an independent investigation. These 3 people were responsible. If an independent or proper investigation is to be done, with them on top, it can never happen because the investigating agencies are below them. That's why also I've appealed to the Chief Justice of Pakistan to have an independent inquiry. If my allegations are wrong, then the inquiries would prove they're wrong. I know the sequence of events. I know the cover-up that took place. And it's still taking place. And we know that this was planned not now, 2 months ago. If people don't know the background, how would they know why this attempt took place? The reason why that they tried everything to somehow get me out of the way. When that didn't happen, this was planned. And 2 months ago, an agency produces this video which accuses me of blasphemy. Then this journalist, Waqar City, who's linked with these agencies, comes up with this another video saying how I had offended the religious sentiments of the people. Then the ruling party information minister, along with the daughter of the former Prime Minister, Maryam Safdar, they then go on television and saying how I have upset the sentiments of the people. It's then that I went on air and said this is a planned thing because if they assassinated me, the evidence would go on the government. So they made it out that it was a religious fanatic who's going to, who would kill me and then put
right. Let me put this to you.
Put my assassination. About 2 months ago, this plot was conceived. I went on in public. On 24th of September, I actually announced about this plot. And let me just give you the background. How do I know that what I'm saying and what evidence I have? It started off when I was deposed from government. From then onwards, what was expected was that our party would just fall apart. In fact, what has happened is that those 2 families being again imposed on us, who've been ruling for 30 years, there was a big public backlash. And so rather than my movement or party going down, it has the party has had such public support. We won 75% of the by-elections since we were out of power. And so all efforts were then to somehow make me run out of the race, to disqualify me, terrorist, I was accused of terrorism and so on, various charges. बहुत अच्छी कवरेज की है। ये मार्च की तो ज़बरदस्त कवरेज थी, बोल की प्रॉब्लम सबसे बेस्ट थी।
सबसे ज्यादा रील्स और सबसे ज्यादा रेटिंग के साथ बोल रहा नंबर 1।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।